My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik sir. In the previous classes, we have very vividly discussed in connection with the use of predeterminers for the formation of noun phrase. It is because noun phrases play very significant role in our sentence structure at the time of speaking and writing. Therefore, you, the students, are expected to know the importance of formation of noun phrases. Yes, in the previous class we have taken the idea in connection with the use of predeterminers like all, half, both, such, articles, demonstratives, distributives, double-edged determiners, cardinals, ordinals, quantifiers, intensifiers, adjectives, classifiers in order to decorate or ornament the noun phrases. Yes, in this segment we are going to discuss about another very interesting idea about the post determiners. What do you mean by post determiners? It means the word, phrase or clause that is used after the noun, then it is called post determiner. The purpose is also the same. This is also useful for decoration of noun phrases and expression of our feelings completely. Yes. Then how? Let's see. Here, post modifiers or determiners. Okay, these 6 points are the key points which are used as a post determiner. First, that is adjective. Second, adverb. Third, prepositional phrase. Fourth, relative clause. Fifth, participle phrase. And sixth, infinitive phrases. Post determiner is a word or a phrase or a clause which can be used after noun to provide more information about it. Yes, okay. This is the nature of post determiner. Right. Now come generally adjective, adverb, prepositional phrase, relative clause, participle phrase. Participle phrase means present participle or past participle. Yes, side by side, infinitive phrase can follow the head noun, as we have already discussed in the key points, because these are the raw materials or the very essential elements required for the post determiners. Okay, over. Now see how. In examples, adjective. Whenever we take adjective after the head noun, that adjective also helps in expressing the noun as a post determiner. Then how? Don't say anything. Anything is pronoun but does the role of noun. Odd. Anything odd about my friend. Don't say anything odd. Odd is here adjective and remaining after anything. It qualifies anything about my friend. Don't say anything odd about my friend. This is what we call post determiner. Remaining after anything, it qualifies anything. Yes? Okay, now see second example. You can see something bright. Remember, bright is a adjective, and here we find something is also pronoun acting as a noun. Yes, and here we find bright, something bright in the sky. So bright qualifies something necessary. Yes, again, this is a pronoun but acts as a noun. Here, necessary is an adjective, and that adjective qualifies everything. Everything necessary has been possessed. Similarly, the teacher concerned has not come today. Here, concerned is the adjective qualifying teacher remaining after teacher. This is the way how we express adjective as the post determiner remaining after the noun or pronoun yes. Okay, now see the other idea. Adverb. Look at the old cottage nearby. Nearby, adverb of place. Here, the old cottage noun phrase, and this noun phrase is modified by nearby. The members inside. You see the members noun phrase, and inside is the adverb. And here we find the members inside are discussing about the matter. The weather today, the weather noun phrase, and today is adverb of time, and this adverb of time qualifies the weather. The weather today is cloudy. Okay, prepositional phrase. This is another very interesting idea, how prepositional phrase also does the role of post determiner. Here people noun, and here in general qualifies people in general prepositional phrase. Here it begins with in. Want to lead happy and healthy life. It's very natural. Everyone wants to lead a happy and healthy life. Okay, the party, here noun phrase, and art college. Art college is the prepositional phrase, was full of fun. Yes, it was really a party with full of fun. The old man, noun phrase, with grey hair. Yes, with grey hair, with long hair, with dark hair, whatever we may take. Yes, you see the old man with here we find prepositional phrase, and yes, this prepositional phrase qualifies the old man remaining after it. Yes, and here is my neighbor. The old man with the gray hair is my neighbor. Okay, relative clause. Yes, this is another interesting factor. The persons. Yes, here noun phrase and antecedent, which is called antecedent. The persons who work. Here we find this is relative clause. Relative clause, yes. The persons who work sincerely succeed in life. Naturally, success doesn't come overnight. The persons, those who work sincerely, definitely succeed in the long run. Okay, this is the process and of getting success. Remember, the mangoes is here, noun phrase. Noun phrase that you bought yesterday is the relative clause are not ripe. It means here the relative clause qualifies the mangoes remaining after it. My friend, here my friend noun phrase, whose mother is a doctor, relative clause, and this also qualifies my friend. My friend whose mother is a doctor starts first in the class. Okay, here we find that how relative clauses are used in complex sentences to modify or qualify the head noun or the noun phrase remaining after it as a post determiner. That's why this is also very interesting factor to remember participle phrases. As we know that we have two participles. One is a present participle, another is a past participle. Yes, present participle ends in ing and past participle ends in ed or el. Whenever we omit relative pronoun, then it becomes zero relative clause. It will be subsequently discussed. Have you seen the person stealing money? Okay, here, see, have you seen the person? Here, the person is the noun phrase, and stealing money is the participle clause, that is what we call present participle. Here, this participle stealing money qualifies the person. It means, have you seen the person who was stealing money? The dog barking next door is annoying. The dog which is barking, which is both words have been dropped here, and here the dog barking means the dog which is barking next door is annoying. It barking next door is the participle phrase and qualifies the dog noun phrase, here the person noun phrase. Remember, the matter is now clear. Now come to this is the idea, and now come to the second idea. The letter written in green ink. Remember, this is another. The letter is the noun phrase, and written in green ink is the participle phrase. It means the letter which was written in green ink has been posted. Okay, the letter which was written in green ink has been posted is equal to, in short, the letter written. Yes, here which and was, both the words have been dropped. This is what we call zero relative clause. The results, yes, noun phrase, obtained from the lab means laboratory, show no abnormalities. The result obtained means the results which have been obtained. These are really very interesting ideas, and you are expected to know all these so that you can express yourself at the time of your academic and at the time of your professional careers. Yes, so this is not for a day or two, this is for life. And yes, take interest. Now come here another, that is infinitive phrase. Yes, we have infinitives, bare infinitive and to infinitive. Yes, here how to infinitive is used as a determiners remaining just after the noun phrase. Yes, let's see. Mr. Mishra is not the man to help you. Yes, here the man noun phrase, and to help is the to infinitive. So here to infinitive, and the man to help you. Yes, you see how to help is the to infinitive, qualifies the man or modifies the man, which is a noun phrase. Okay, and to help is here post determiner. Yes, next, I'm looking for something to do. I'm looking for something. Yes, something is a pronoun, acts as a noun, and here to do. Yes, I'm looking for something to do. This is the way. To do is here the post determiner, and remaining after something qualifies something, and that's why this is a post determiner or post modifier. Yes, my dear students, here these classes are very important for our spoken and written English, and side by side appearing any academic and professional courses, and therefore it will be suitable on your part to take interest vividly, yes, and deeply, ardently, to know what is what, so that you can easily know how to speak and how to write confidently with the help of these interesting items. Okay, hope you must have enjoyed this class. Enjoy it again. Go through the video from beginning to end again and again. Try to take down the key points, important ideas of your requirement, and apply it in your day-to-day life. If possible, you can share your nearers and dearers, those who are taking interest in learning English. Okay. With this, I conclude this segment. You in the next segment. Till then, goodbye.